Hi everyone, I'm Miss Francis, your science tutor, and today we're going to learn about materials exchange, which is how your blood picks up and drops off materials around the body. In our heart anatomy episode, we spoke about how blood flows around the body in blood vessels. We also spoke about how the smallest blood vessels are called capillaries, and they are found everywhere in your body. The capillaries ensure that each and every single one of your cells gets the oxygen that it needs to survive. Capillaries also have very thin walls that allow materials to pass to and from the blood very easily. The process of materials passing to and from the blood is called material exchange. For example, oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in this way, as well as nutrients and other waste products. But where does blood actually get the nutrients and oxygen that it needs to deliver? Let's look at oxygen first. Your oxygen supply comes from the lungs. When you breathe in, the lungs collect oxygen. When you breathe out, your lungs can remove carbon dioxide. The lungs can do this because they are filled with balloon-like sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are similar to capillaries in the sense that they have very thin walls. When you breathe in and your alveoli fill with oxygen, oxygen can very easily pass through the alveoli wall into the blood, and carbon dioxide in the blood can easily pass into the alveoli to be removed when you breathe out. Another thing to know about the alveoli is that they're surrounded by capillaries to facilitate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the blood and the lungs. This is why when the blood leaves your lungs, it has more oxygen in it and less carbon dioxide than it did before. But the lungs don't work alone. They get a lot of help from other organs. Let's take a look. The mouth and nose bring air in. The trachea and bronchus lead air into the lungs. Then muscles, such as your diaphragm, help take in the air and push the air out. Together, these organs make up your respiratory system. Respiratory refers to breathing. System is a group of organs and body parts working together to do a job. Now let's go back into the blood. The blood can hold oxygen and carbon dioxide because it contains red blood cells. Red blood cells contain a chemical called hemoglobin, which can grab onto oxygen and carbon dioxide. Hemoglobin is red, which is why red blood cells are red, which in turn is why the blood is red. To summarize, blood is a kind of delivery driver that moves throughout the body in order to deliver useful substances to your cells, such as oxygen and nutrients. When it comes to oxygen, your blood is able to pick it up in the lungs because it contains a chemical called hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen. Your blood is also able to remove waste products, such as carbon dioxide, because hemoglobin binds to this too. When it comes to nutrients, in our next episode, we will be investigating how your blood carries nutrients around the body and how it is connected to the digestive system. That's it for today. Thank you for being here with me. I hope this makes your school science learning a bit easier and more fun. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will help us reach other students just like you. so that we can all learn together. And remember, everyone learns differently. For some it's fast, for others slow. But what's for sure is learning makes us grow. So until next time, keep on learning.